Let's take a look at how to duplicate sections here in Wix. So if you have a Wix website, your website's generally based on sections, and you can see those by hovering over each of these areas. They're sections, they're rows of content. So if I wanted to duplicate a section, it's pretty easy. I can do two things. I can duplicate it or I can copy paste it to somewhere else. So the first way is to duplicate it. The shortcut key for that is Command or Control D. You can actually see that in this little dialog action, more actions, and then we find duplicate. So we have this section with these folks selected here, and we can press duplicate and it duplicates it right below. Now if you want to move this section around from there, you can actually press these up and down arrow keys to drop it below the next section. Now let's delete this out with the delete key. We're going to go back. The other thing we can do is copy paste. So if we go to more actions, we see copy is Command or Control C. We can copy a section and then paste it, and it will paste in above whatever your selection is. So let's say I wanted to paste it in right above the footer. I'm going to click on the footer and then press Command or Control V, and that's going to paste that section in there. You can also go back to the three dots and just click on paste right here. It pastes right above whatever you have selected. So that's two ways to duplicate selections here on Wix.